Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cherael again, and today we are going to be doing a redesign into this beautiful icy winter wonderland nail design using the dip powder method. So stay tuned. So this orange glitter on marble nail I did is only a week old, but I got bored of it, so I just wanted a quick change. So I began filing on the pinky and the index and also the thumb. I just filed off a few layers of the nail. Because it was pixie pink, I didn't see the sense in filing off the whole nail until I reached the clear layer. So I just filed it down a little. And I decided to file the middle and the ring finger until I saw the clear layer that I usually put before starting a nail design, because the orange glitter might have shown under the design and I didn't want to risk it showing. I didn't mind the pink showing because I imagined that it would look kind of cute. I also changed the shape of the nail to a ballerina or a coffin nail, as they like to call it. So the products I'll be using today are Cherael Sky and this beautiful diamond glitter. I also mix them together to get this nice pixie white, as I like to call it. So I apply base to my nail and then I dip it into the Cherael Sky pure white only. I was low-key inspired by Femi Beauty to do this nail design, but honestly I already planned to do it, but I changed my mind. I don't know why. But when I saw her doing this design, I took it as a sign from up above. So here we are now. The Christmas season is upon us, guys, and I am excited. This icy winter inspired nail design is perfect for this season. I have a lot of nail design in store for you guys. The month of December is filled with Christmas nail design if everything goes as planned. I'm thinking about uploading twice for the week now. I've started doing it just a little, I just wanted to see, but I might start doing it. I don't know if I will continue after the Christmas season. It just depends, so stay tuned for that. So this design isn't a full-blown Christmas nail design. It's an introduction to what's to come. It's more of a winter wonderland icy look. So I realized that the pure white was kind of dull and I didn't like it. I really don't like to work with white, and the fact that I'm actually doing all white nails is kind of crazy. But I really couldn't stand for it to look dull at the same time. Although I was going to cover it with raw glitter on the top, the base didn't really have to be perfect, but I just needed to see some glitter. It's just a personal choice. So I mixed some of the white acrylic with some of the raw sugar glitter and continued. The middle and the ring finger took more layers than the index and the pinky, but I didn't show all that. It would have been too repetitive, so Anyway, so I'm so excited for Christmas. I feel like when it's Christmas time, everyone gets in a better mood and the world is a better place. I don't know why. I just love the season and the feels you get. It's magical. Sometimes I wish I was still a kid again to feel the magic even more. Like believing in Santa Claus and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. What a time. I wish I was a kid again. And don't get me started on those Lifetime movies and Hallmark movies. Oh my goodness, I love it. And your application doesn't really have to be perfect, because we are applying raw sugar glitter onto the nails, so we wouldn't really be seeing it. However, I'm kind of a perfectionist, so yeah, it needs to look good. I'm still working on my shaping. Sometimes I get it and sometimes I don't. It looks good most times, you know, but I am a perfectionist, so it's very annoying when I don't get it right. So if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button down below to let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to stay in the know about when I upload. If you're new to my channel, I upload content about dip powder and the various ways that dip powder could be used to achieve designs that are typically achieved using monomer, and making it easy. If you're a first timer to my channel, check out what I've done so far, and thanks to all who have subscribed and stayed subscribed. So I have this goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers before 2019 ends. I hope I can achieve it. And if you want to help me out, make sure to tell your friends and family to watch my videos, and if they like it, make sure to subscribe. And if you're watching my videos and you like my videos and you're not yet subscribed, please do so to help me reach the 1,000 subscribers before 2019 ends. And I just want to say thank you to all who have been subscribed to me. Thanks a lot. This sugar glitter, oh my gosh, it was gorgeous. It's almost blinding. I kid you not, this glitter was stunning. I tried to low down the lights a little bit just so y'all could see the iridescent glitters that it had in it, but I don't know what was happening. You can't really see the realness of the glitter, you know, all the iridescent flakes. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. At the end I have a small video of how it looked in low lighting. I tried my best, and actually that was taken about 3 or 4 days after I did it, so you know it was looking kind of crusty. Oh yeah, so I encapsulated all the nails off camera, and now I'm applying my activator to my nails. Oh, and then I waited 5 minutes before filing and buffing and everything. Yeah, that hair right there was bothering me. Oh my gosh, thank God I filed it off. I think I got that from my brush that I used to brush off all the dust, the powder. Yeah, it was annoying me. Anyway, this was after filing and buffing, and now I'm applying more activator. So I filed off way too much on the tip of the pinky, but I didn't mind because the sugar glitter would have covered it. So now I'm adding some base to my nails, and then I'm sprinkling the raw sugar glitter onto the nails. This looks so nice, very winter wonderland-esque. The nail design makes me so excited for Christmas, for the Christmas season. The glitter is so fine and white and iridescent. It's really hard to see on the camera, and it's so gorgeous. It looks like diamonds on my nails, really. I was in awe of this raw sugar glitter. I loved it. So now I'm cleaning up the sides of my nails with a hand file because I wanted to maintain the shape. The glitter was making the nails a little out of shape, and I really wasn't gonna have that, you know. So I tried my best. Wasn't 100% in shape, but it was good enough. Because the glitter made it a little wonky. Also, be careful with it, because after I was finished this design, I realized that my clothes were getting snagged on my nails, and it was a problem. It was very annoying and scratchy, so afterwards I just applied some top coat and the problem was fixed. So this is the finished look, guys. I added some cuticle oil, and here's the beautiful icy winter nail. So it was really nice and cute. It was simple, it was feminine, it was so easy and fast doing this design. I really wasn't able to get a shot on the first day that I did the nails with the low light, you know, because I kind of forgot. Because usually the type that shoots a video and never looks at it until I'm ready to edit. So only when I was editing I realized that the lighting was too bright to see the iridescent glitter. So please don't come for me for how it looks, okay? The set is hella old and it's growing out, because technically I had this set in for a little over a week. It looks gorgeous in this lighting as well. It showed more of the iridescent lights, but I hope you can see it. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next one.